This is a $100 bill. Represents the US currency. And the reason they call it currency in every denomination around the world is because it never stops moving. It is always flowing, and there's always an abundance of it. You see, there aren't recessions. There's just a transfer of currency, right? It didn't go anywhere. They didn't destroy it. They didn't burn it. They didn't put it at the bottom of the ocean. It just moved out of your hands. The question is, where did it go? And how do I get it back? See, when you understand what it really is, you will master it. It won't master you. This is a tool for trade. The more I control, the more I can trade. And the way I earn the right to control more is by providing more value in the marketplace. Law of compensation. It's the reason I do things like this, so I can provide education and awareness around powerful concepts that can help many of you get what you want. You see, I am positioned for currency with the businesses that I run. And the current has no choice but to bow down to my favor. You know, I didn't always think like this, but this is now how I think in my heart. Because in my heart, I need currency to accomplish the ultimate goal of helping as many people as I can. You know, today's Friday. Many of you got paid today. And I want to encourage you to make smart choices with your paycheck. Start thinking about how you can make that money go to work for you instead of you having to continually work for it.